So far, things are not going Donald Trump's way in the attempt to overturn the 2020 election trial. As we know, earlier this week, Judge Tanya Chutkan requested Donald Trump's lawyers submit a filing to explain why their client shouldn't be subjected to a protective order after the alleged threat he sent out on social media last week. If you come after me, I'm going to come after you. His lawyers did, of course, submit their filing. So the judge said, all right, I got your filing. I got the DOJ's filing. Now all we need is to all come together in a hearing and figure out what's going to happen to your client. And that's where things got a little bit hairy for Trump's lawyers, because they told Judge Chutkan on Tuesday, they said, well, Judge, listen, hey, we got a lot of stuff going on. I mean, one of us, talking about two of Trump lawyers, John Lauro and Todd Blanche, look here, Mr. Blanche has got to go down to South Florida to meet with that judge in another trial for the same client. Thursday doesn't work. Wednesday's not too good. We can't make it Friday. We're just going to have to push this to next week, Judge. We know you said you wanted it to be this week, but we just can't make it happen. Oh, and by the way, Trump's not going to show up no matter when you said it, but we'll be there, assuming you put it at a convenient time for us. And the judge looked at this info, heard their arguments about all the times that doesn't work, including Friday, and the judge said, okay, fine. We're going to do Friday anyway. 10 a.m. Eastern, my courthouse, be there. So Donald Trump's lawyers went through this big thing explaining just why all these days and times simply don't work for us. We're going to have to kick the can down the road. And the judge was basically like, BS. Nope, we're doing this. I told you we're going to get this resolved this week, and by God, we're going to get it resolved this week. You're going to show up your butt here 10 a.m. on Friday. And that's that, right? Again, Donald Trump will not be showing up, which honestly is probably for the best. The lawyers probably don't want him to be asked any questions about why he sent out that post on Truth Social, and also why he admitted during a rally in New Hampshire on Tuesday that he wasn't going to shut up. But I'm sure his lawyers will have to answer that question, so it's understandable why they would want more time, right? This is a very delicate issue here. Your client keeps screwing up because he's not complying with the very court order that he personally signed and acknowledged. So yeah, you probably want as much time as possible to try to craft some kind of legal argument as to why your client shouldn't be slapped with a gag order. But it is what it is. We'll find out after that hearing. Again, 10 a.m. Eastern, Friday. That's when it's all going to go down. But so far, the judge didn't want to listen to what Trump's lawyers had to say about why they weren't available. So let's go ahead and assume probably not going to be a very pleasant hearing for those lawyers. Ring of Fire has fresh content 7 days a week. So if you want to be reminded about it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time a new video goes up.